Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to enable the full screen gestures in this device. So if you enable the full screen gestures, you can easily hide the navigation buttons on the bottom tab. So let me show you how to enable the full screen gestures. For this, go to settings and scroll down, tap on additional settings. Then here you can see the option system navigation. Tap on this one. So here you can see two type of system navigation buttons and gestures. To enable the full screen gesture, select the option gestures. Then if you want to learn how to use the full screen gesture, then you can learn, otherwise cancel it. Now you can see the navigation buttons are hidden from the bottom tab. So let me show you how to use this full screen gestures. To go to the back page, swipe inwards from the left side or swipe inwards from the right side. To go to recent application, swipe up from the bottom tab and hold it. To go to the home page, swipe up like this. You can see it's very simple to use this full screen gestures. To go to back page, swipe inwards from the right side or swipe inwards from the left side. To go to recent application, swipe up from the bottom tab and hold it. To go to home page, just swipe up from the bottom tab. So simply in this way you can enable and use the full screen gestures on this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.